If you are having a issue of hash on the keyboard when you press the shift key plus 3 and it type the pound signs, and here you can see that my keyboard is also showing pound on the number 3 key. So why this has happened, you need to change the keyboard setting. So for this you need to go to this search icon and type keyboard. Here you will see that ease of access keyboard setting. You need to click on that. And now on the right side, click on the language and keyboard settings. And now click on the keyboard. And now you can see that right now my input language is United Kingdom. You need to switch it down, click on that and change it to English United States. And that's all. Close it. And now press the shift plus 3 and here you can see that hash is type again. So here you can see that I hash symbol is again appear on the number 3 key. So if you are having this problem, you can easily fix that. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.